In this video, I'll show you how to load and install ink cartridges in the HP DeskJet 4310 printer. Your ink cartridges are going to come in this plastic packaging. Go ahead and remove them from it. Then you'll also see an orange strip on top of them. Remove that orange strip and make sure not to touch the contacts or the printer head. Now, to find where the ink goes, you need to press down this lid in the front of the printer. And then there's also a second lid. You want to pull that one down too, and you'll now be able to insert the ink cartridges. So here we have this sticker on the front of the printer telling us that the color ink cartridge goes on the left and the black ink cartridge goes on the right. Here I'm going to take the color ink cartridge and place it in the left hand side like this. So glide it into the slot, and then you want to give it one firm push until you hear it click into place. Don't be afraid of breaking it. We'll now do the same with the black. So I recommend to have your hand on the back of the printer or the printer pushed up against a wall while doing this so the printer doesn't slide about. Once you've inserted the ink, to replace them, you want to push down on the bottom of the cartridge like this until it sits at an angle, and then you can just pull it out from here. So I'll show again with the black ink. Push down on the bottom of it like this until you hear it click, and then we'll simply remove it and install our new ones. Once you have the cartridges installed, flip up this lid and then do the same with the outer lid. Now, if you've installed the ink cartridges correctly, you should see the ink levels on the control panel of the printer just here, which means the ink has been installed. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.